Hello everyone, I'm Xiao Mai from EcoFamily. Today, let me introduce to you all the accessories of the smart ecological main pond. Taking the S-type equipment as an example, there is a 45-watt water pump, water circulation function, a 25-watt water pump, water supply and watering pump, a mechanical timer, a UV sterilizer, and a 60 centimeter LED light. In addition, there is a power supply, an accessories kit, eight-star filter brushes, 45 second-gen bacteria house, a power drain plug, 3 filter chamber covers, 48 cultivation sponges, 48 cultivation pots, a can of water-soluble fertilizer, a can feed, a watering can. That's all the accessories for the Model S device. This is a 45-watt water pump, factory marked, circulation pump for the circulation of main pond water. This is a 25-watt water supply pump for watering the plant wall. It is also marked in the same way when leaving the factory. This is a mechanical timer. Connect to water supply pump. Take growing vegetables as an example. We set the operating time to 5 minutes. The shutdown time can be set to 5 to 10 minutes. Take shade plants, plants that grow better in low light than in bright light, as an example. We set the operating time to 5 minutes. The shutdown time is set to 120 minutes. There is also a quick start function. Press down to power up. This is a 6-watt germicidal lamp installed in the clear water tank of the main pond. This is a 60 centimeter LED light. A power adapter. Connect the light to the adapter and tighten the nut. There is a switch on the adapter that can control the light. LED lights are installed in the main pond for ornamental purposes. 8 brushes are placed in the physical compartment for physical filtration and have been installed at the factory. 45 second-gen bacteria houses are placed in the biochemical warehouse and have been installed at the factory. This is the plug for the 50 millimeter diameter drain and has been installed at the factory. When you need to drain the water, loosen the screw and then tighten the screw after draining to complete the water change. There are 3 filter chamber covers on the filter chamber, 48 cultivation sponges, 48 cultivation pots, 1 can water-soluble fertilizer, 1 can of feed, 1 watering can. According to the planting of different plants and vegetables and the operation steps, we will show you more detailed instructions in the next video. There is a manual in the accessories bag, a screwdriver, green PVC hose, water supply adapter, plastic hook, 1 pack of nitrifying bacteria, a set of oxygenated duckbill, several tie screws, 1 set of wire arrangement. This is the factory setting after the customer receives the Model S device. This is a physical filter cartridge. This is a biochemical filter. This is a clean water tank. Following are the steps to install the device. Thread the water pump cable out of the threading hole first. Install UV sterilizer. The UV sterilizer is installed in the clean water tank. Note the UV sterilizer can only be activated in the water. Similarly, pass the wire of the UV sterilizer through the thread hole. Then connect the power supply of the LED light. And tighten the nut. Next, install the timer. The timer is connected to the water supply pump. And set the timer to turn off and on as needed. The main pond is equipped with an automatic replenishment valve that can be installed. Automatic water replenishment valve. Connect to the faucet. When the water in the equipment main pond is lower than the minimum water level, the valve ball replenishment function is turned on immediately. When it is higher than the highest water level, the valve ball replenishment function is immediately closed. Customers can choose according to their actual situation. The following describes the installation of the replenishment valve. The screw of the air valve can adjust the water level. Loosen the screw to adjust the water level. After adjusting to the appropriate height, tighten the screw. Then remove the fixing screw. Insert the ball valve into the outlet of the ball valve. Rotate and fix the screw. Fix outer screw sleeve. Ball valve installation is complete. Add a piece of hose outside to complete an automatic water replenishment function. The following is a brief introduction to the enhanced discharge function of main ponds. After installing the water replenishment valve, it is necessary to connect the reinforced drainage to the sewer. The reinforced drain will come with a plug at the factory. Customers can loosen the plug and then connect a 50mm diameter hose to drain the water. Remove the reinforced drainage pipe inside to drain the water. After the drainage is completed, connect the reinforced drainage pipe so as to complete a drainage. The second option is to pull out the reinforced drainage pipe inside and connect it to the outside. When the reinforced drainage pipe is vertical, the water level can be controlled to this position. If drainage is required, lower the reinforced drainage pipe and drain the water. After the drainage is completed, the reinforced drainage pipe can be placed vertically. This is the configuration backplane received by the customer with 48 holes. The following is the installation of the cultivation pot. Align the button positions of the cultivation pot and the backing plate. You will hear a pop. The cultivation pot is installed. Remove the screws and screwdriver from the accessories bag. Tighten the screws. 2 screws on each side. There are also 3 screws on the front. And also 3 screws on the back, all tightened. This completes the installation of the cultivation backplane. The sprinkler tube on the top of the plant wall has been installed at the factory. Next, install the water supply pipe. Take out the small green PVC hose from the water supply pipe and accessories bag. Connect the water supply pipe with the green PVC hose and adjust it to a suitable height for connecting the sprinkler tube. After adjusting to the appropriate height, the water supply pipe is connected to the sprinkler tube and clamped. In this way, the water supply pipe and rain shower are installed. The installation of the oxygenated ductile is as follows. Install the air pipe first. The opening direction of the air pipe is consistent with the direction of the water flow. Insert into oxygenated ductile. Then connect the oxygenated ductile to the water outlet. Oxygenated ductile. The direction of water flow can be adjusted automatically. The airflow is adjusted by the screw on the upper part of the air pipe. The screw on the upper part of the air pipe. Loosen the airflow to increase and tighten the airflow to decrease. Next, install the wire organizer. Straighten out the wires. Put the wire inside the organizer. Slip the organizing tube over the outside of the organizing clip. Then take out the organizer clockwise. Push the wires into the organizer. Installation is complete. Pass the air pipe through the threading hole. Once the appliance is installed, it's time to add water. Automatic water replenishment valve is installed. Just turn off the faucet switch. No automatic water replenishment valve installed. Manual water needs to be added. This is the lowest water level. When the water level reaches the minimum water level, you need to add water manually. This is the highest water level. When the water level is at its highest, stop adding water. If a water replenishment valve is installed, the manual water addition action can be ignored. After filling the water, power it on. Check the electrical appliances to ensure work properly. Normal operation means the installation is successful.
Eco Family sprouts eco living life.